Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be making a card, so you're going to need some paint, some glue, some tape, some newspaper, and some cardstock. And so first what you're going to do is you're going to tape the two pieces of cardstock together if you have two pieces. Of course, if you have just one continuous piece, then you can just skip this step. Okay, so now you're going to get a newspaper and you're going to, what I got is a big body of text, and you're going to cut there and make sure it's enough to cover your entire card so you don't see any of the cardstock. Also cut out a picture that I thought was pretty interesting. See, then I'm going to glue that on top of the big body of text that you'll see in a bit. Here I'm just like tracing the card and seeing how much of the newspaper that I need. You don't really need to do this, you could just make sure that it fits over the card and then just do it and then cut after, like I'll do later. So here I'm just gluing the top of the card where I'm going to put the paper. Just make sure it's a nice thin layer of the glue. A glue stick could also work too. You're going to want to get something to smooth it out, all the glue. Here I just used the masking tape roll. Really anything hard will work. And then you're going to cut along the edges. So I got the picture they cut out earlier, and I said I want to put it in the corner of my front page. So now I'm just cutting it, deciding where I want it to go, where it would look good. And then I'm gonna do the same way I applied the newspaper, the other newspaper on the text. Then I'm gonna do that to the picture.
I failed you so many times. I committed so many crimes, and I was pretty sure of myself. You gave me reasons to be somebody else. Baby, I'm home again.
Now I'm just gonna repeat what I did before to this side.
I thought that I could run away, run away. I had nothing more to say, more to say. I was pretty sure of myself. You gave me reasons to be somebody else.
margins and put them on the edges of the entire card to get rid of the rough edges.
Here I am. I was lost. Now I'm found again. It's alright. Baby, here I am. It's alright. Yeah. It's alright. Baby, here I am. I was lost, but now I'm found again. I am home.
So now that we're done with the edges, I'm going to take some paint and just get a little paint over it so then I can write something on it, like happy birthday, or in my case happy Mother's Day. And then you're gonna paint on the inside just like you're doing on the front of the card, so that you can write the whatever you want on the inside.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to start a conversation with someone. Just be who I am, not care so much about first impressions. So, 'cause I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, not playing games. Maybe reveal it, they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that.
Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!